Hello everybody, my name is Ashutosh Dutta. I'm the co-chair for IEEE Future Network Initiative. I'm also a IEEE volunteer, work as an industry outreach for IEEE Communication Society, and I'm also a distinguished lecturer for IEEE Communication Society. So I'm going to say a little bit about what we're doing in IEEE Future Network Initiative. It started in 2017 as an IEEE 5G initiative to help evolve the 5G technologies, including the societies, many societies within IEEE. So today we have about 22 societies who are part of this IEEE Future Network Initiative. As part of this activity, we are embracing people all over the world, students, faculty, researchers, industry, anybody who would like to be part of it. The whole idea was to create an open platform that will embrace the people from academia, government, and industry to help evolve the 5G technologies. As part of that, we have several different things going on where you can contribute. That includes standards, publications, conferences, roadmap working groups, and anything else you'd like to do. So I will say a little bit about each of these where you can help to contribute. As part of the standards working group, we are inviting people from all over the world in different walks of life to see how they can contribute to the standards for 5G or evolving 5G. And that will help accelerate the deployment of 5G technologies around the world. As you know, 5G is a little different than previous evolution of 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G. It has massive bandwidth, massive sensing, massive control. At the same time, it also adds massive resiliency. So it is not only constrained just to the operator type people, but also other verticals like e-health, connected cars, smart cars, smart meters, smart cities. So it's kind of all pervasive. So there is an opportunity here for people in all walks of the industry, not only limited to operator community, to be able to part of this, because it's going to help them in many ways. Think about application like remote surgery for e-health. So that is dependent on 5G technology to provide ultra-low latency application. Think about autonomous car, connected vehicles. Think about billions of IoT devices. And those things will be possible, or be made possible if you have 5G technology available today. So while we have an opportunity for everybody to contribute to standards, we also have publications, educations, and conferences working group, where we conducting webinars, tutorials, e-learning modules. We are doing workshops, 5G summits all around the world. One thing we believe, globally means doing locally everywhere. With that key notion, we have been conducting 5G summits all around the world in collaboration with IEEE Communication Society. To date, we have done more than 50 5G summits, and if you are interested, we should be able to work together and have a 5G summit around your chapter or near your section. So whole idea is to really involve the industry members in the local community. They cannot go and attend each and every conference. So this is an opportunity for us where we can work with the local section, local chapter, and organize these 5G summits or any type of future network summit in the local area. Thereby, we actually embrace the local industry. At the same time, we give them an opportunity to know how they can get value from IEEE and how IEEE can get value from them. Then the next I'll talk about publications. So as part of the Future Network Initiative, we have several ways you can contribute. We have a technical focus working group where you can publish your papers, work in progress papers. You can submit your papers in many of the spatial issues as part of, let's say, ComShock or Vehicular Technology Society or MTT or any other society, depending on your interest. Next, I want to talk about the roadmap activities. So the fundamental part is IEEE is like a knowledge house of a lot of experts in different areas, right? There are about 42 societies. About 22 societies are contributing to the technology advancement. So we have about 12 different working groups right now who are developing a roadmap document. namely standardization building blocks, millimeter wave, hardware, MIMO, edge automation, security, test bed, systems optimization, deployment, etc. Right? So here is an opportunity, depending on your specific interest, you can contribute to the evolution of 5G technology in that specific area, right? You may be working as a part of electronic device society, maybe you're part of communication society, maybe part of computer society. So because 5G cuts across all different layers in a communication system, you have an opportunity to contribute. And this is an open platform. You have a new idea, you come to us, we show you the path to get it to a standards, through RRSA. So you may be a student, you may be an industry practitioner, maybe a faculty. So here is an opportunity for you to get involved and be part of this revolution. Now let me turn a little bit about industry participants. As part of this Future Network Initiative, we have an industry advisory board. What we are doing, we are reaching out to the industry leaders in various different verticals and trying to collect the requirements from them as we are developing the roadmap document. This roadmap document, as I call it, is a future network. We are looking not only for now, what is happening today, but 3-year, 5-year, and 10-year down the road. So the roadmap document, the white paper was published November 2017, but now we are working on publishing the roadmap. That was the white paper, the roadmap document that will involve all the improvement or all the development that we have done as part of each of the working group, and that will be available sometime in April. So what we are doing as part of engaging with the industry, this will be like a almost like a guideline document for their product roadmap, right? If you're in an automotive business, you can use this to see what aspect of 5G you have to develop so that you can roll into your future roadmap. So I invite everybody, all the industry verticals to be part of this Future Network Initiative. If you can go to futurenetworks.ieee.org, you can see how you can contribute in which area. There are few interesting seminars and conferences coming up. Our flagship conference, 5G World Forum, that took place in Santa Clara last year. In 2019, is taking place in Dresden, Germany, September 30th to October 2nd. That is our flagship conference. We have industry panels, forums, startups, a lot of technical papers.